Today I'm going to talk to you about the building blocks we use to read and write music. Whether you are listening to classical music, pop, R&B, rap or dubstep, all music is made out of the same basic building blocks, pitch and rhythm. Pitch tells us how high or low a note is, while rhythm tells us how long or short a note is. We write music on a set of 5 lines called a stave. We can place a note, which is a little circle, on any line or in any space. The lower the note is on the stave, the lower the sound. The higher the note is on the stave, the higher the sound. If we look at an instrument like the piano, we can see we've got many notes, 88 to be exact. If we look at our stave, we can see that we can only write 9 notes, 5 on the lines and 4 in the spaces. For this reason, we use a clef sign to show that our notes fall into a particular range. The treble clef sign tells us that the notes on this stave fall into the higher range, while the bass clef sign tells us that the notes on this stave fall in the lower range. The rhythm of music is shown by the shape of the note. Notes can be written as little circles, open circles with lines, coloured in circles with lines, or coloured in circles with lines and little tails. Each of these differently shaped notes has a different time value or duration. This note is called a semibreve and has a duration of 4 beats. This is a minim, which has a duration of 2 beats. This is a crotchet, which has a duration of just 1 beat. And this is a quaver, which has the value of half a beat. The beat is a constant pulse which divides our music into equal units of time, like a ticking clock or a metronome. We separate our stave into bars by placing a small vertical line through all 5 lines of the stave. These bar lines separate our music into equal groups of beats. A time signature, which is a set of 2 numbers placed at the beginning of the stave, tells us how many beats are in each bar. Let's look at how these different signs and symbols work together to create a piece of music. We'll use the classic song Somewhere Over the Rainbow to illustrate this. The first thing we need is a stave to write our music on. Somewhere Over the Rainbow is sung by a female singer who has a high voice. We will need to show that we are using the higher musical range by using a treble clef. This song is in 4/4 time. This means that there are 4 beats in each bar. We can now fit the rhythm of this song over the beats. As you can hear, this is not quite right yet. The notes are lasting for the correct amount of time, but they all have the same pitch. If we move these notes higher and lower on the stave, we are able to show the different pitches that create the melody of this song. We will take our time to break down all of these concepts and study them in detail, but for now, all I need you to do is take away the following 10 facts. Pitch and rhythm are the 2 main building blocks of music. All music is written on a stave, which is a set of 5 lines. Pitch tells us how high or low a note is. Pitch is shown by the position of the note head on the stave. Rhythm tells us how long or short a note is. Rhythm is shown to us by the shape of the note. The treble clef tells us that we are playing notes in the higher range. The bass clef tells us that we are playing notes in the lower range. Bar lines divide music into equal numbers of beats. The time signature tells us how many beats are in each bar. Please ensure that you have a solid grasp of all of these facts because they form the foundation of everything we're going to learn.